Do you take tea in the morning? What do you take besides tea in the morning? Do you like cold drink? Which cold drink do you like very much? Do you like juice or cold drink? Do you smoke? Why don't you smoke? Do you go for the morning walk? Why do you go for a morning walk? Why don't you go for a morning walk? Do you go to cinema? Why do you go to cinema? Why don't you go to cinema? Do you like train journey or bus journey? Why do you like bus journey? Why don't you like train journey? What type of people do you like? What type of people you don't like? Do you like ice cream? Do you like toffee? Thank you.